Hello friends, now we will be discussing second part of thermochemistry energetics, that is the different types of heat of reactions. So first heat of reaction we are taking here is heat of formation. So first let me define it. What is its definition? Let me show you. Here you can see heat of formation, that is delta HF. First point we have here is 1 mole of substance is formed, okay, from its constituent elements, and it should be stable state, reference state, or standard state. Let me show you here. Like here, water liquid is formed, and it is formed from H2 and oxygen. Okay, 1 mole is formed, it is right here, 1 mole is formed. The first point is very clear, that first that one mole is formed, okay, and is formed from H2 and from oxygen, O2. So H2 is the stable form of hydrogen, yes, it is correct, and O2 is the stable form of oxygen, yes, it is also correct. So this one is correct statement for the heat of formation or enthalpy of formation. Okay, the second one is HNO3, 1 mole here, 1 mole HNO3. Okay, the second thing is from its constituents here are H, N and O, H, N and O. Okay, yes, this one is also correct. The third criteria we have is H2, N2, O2. Yes, this one is also correct, because hydrogen is more stable in H2 form, or is present most abundantly present in H2 form. It is also correct. Nitrogen is present in N2 form, and oxygen is abundantly naturally present in O2 form. This one is also correct. So this one is also correct for enthalpy of formation, or heat of formation. Okay, so the third one example is also the same. Now taking the next one, we have heat of combustion. 1 mole of substance is completely burned in the excess of oxygen. So taking the example here, so first criteria we have is 1 mole of substance. So 1 mole of substance is here completely burned and something is formed. Okay, so this one is combustion. Okay, second example we have diamond, oxygen, CO2 is formed. This one is also correct, but the third one is here not correct. Why it is not correct? Because completely it is not burned, because CO2 is not formed. When CO2 is formed, that means completely burned, completely burning is there, but when CO is formed, it means it is incompletely burned. So the third one is not the enthalpy of combustion, or the heat of combustion. Fourth one example we have 1 mole CO2 is formed. This one is also correct. No, sorry, 1 mole is burnt. Okay, the first criteria, 1 mole of substance is burned, and second one is excess of the second one correct criteria we have is completely burned means CO2 is formed. So here also CO2 form, that means this one criteria is also correct. That means combustion here it is correct for heat of combustion. Okay, so this one is correct. Here we are also given the delta HF. So for delta HF we were given 3 definitions, means a definition containing 3 points. So what were those 3 points? So first point was 1 mole of substance was formed. Okay, here 1 CO2 is formed, 1 CO2 is forming from its constituent. Yes, it is from its constituent, but from stable constituent. But here first in example first it is graphite, but graphite is not yes, the graphite is the most abundant, so it is correct for formation, heat of formation. Okay, second example we have 1 mole is formed. Okay, second criteria from its constituent. Okay, yes, this one is also correct, but third one is not correct because diamond is not the form of carbon which is present abundantly in nature. So this one is not the heat of formation. Third one example we have is first criteria for formation. Heat of formation is 1 mole of substance form. Okay, 1 mole is forming here. Second one is from its constituent. Yes, forming from its constituent. Third one is third one criteria we have is from stable state or reference state. This one is also correct. Okay, because if we are not nothing is given, we will take it as graphite, as carbon as graphite, not carbon as diamond, because diamond is not abundant. Graphite we can see around us, but diamond is not that much abundant. Okay, so for fourth example we have is CO2. 1 mole is forming, okay, from its constituent, okay, but is not from its the element which is present in abundant form. So this is not correct. Fourth one is not correct for heat of formation. Now let's suppose we are given a reaction AA plus BB gives CC plus DD. Let this reaction is given and we are provided with heat of formation of products and reactions, and in the question we are asked that we have to find out the heat of reaction. Then what we have to do is we have to first write heat of reaction. Heat of reaction is equal to heat of formation of products minus heat of formation of reactants. Look at here, heat of reaction is equal to heat of formation of all the products, summation of heat of formation of products minus summation of heat of formation of reactants. Okay, in this manner you can we can find out the heat of reaction. One more point we have to keep in mind is standard heat of formation of all the element in stable standard state is taken to be 0. Like all these elements which are present in their reference state is having the heat of formation 0. Now when heat of combustion of reactant and product are given and we are asked to find out the heat of reaction, then what we have to do is we have to sum up the heat of combustion of reactant, and we have to sum up the heat of combustion of product, and just take difference of them. Like heat of reaction here we have is summation of heat of combustion of reactant minus summation of heat of combustion of product. Next one energy we have is bond energy or bond dissociation energy. In this we have 2 points. One is 1 mole gaseous bond is getting dissociate and is getting separating into gaseous atoms. So this is 1 mole bond and 2H is formed, correct. But the last one, what is happening here, actually water is given in the gaseous state, and here 2 mole of OH bond is getting dissociating. That is why this is not bond energy. And here atoms are not formed, gaseous atoms are not formed, molecules are formed, that's why it is wrong. And here ions are formed, that is why it is wrong, because what is the definition given here? Definition is that 1 mole gaseous bond is getting dissociating into gaseous atoms. So here here we have gaseous atom. The first three example gaseous atoms are there, are formed, so the bond energy is also correct. But in the last three example, there we do not find out the gaseous atoms. That's why these are not the example of bond energy. Now if we are given the bond energy of reactant and product, and we are asked to find out the enthalpy of reaction, then what we have to do is we have to just use a formula, that is summation bond energy of reactant minus summation bond energy of product. Okay friends, thank you.